Honestly, I don't know why you are not using Exness Terminal yet. Let me show you something. This right here is trading view. You can see this is trading view, and these things are here, and you can see over here too. We have a lot of things. The same things are available here on Exness Terminal. So I don't know why you are not using Exness Terminal yet. Now, the advantages of using Exness Terminal is very prominent. Aside the fact that you can do backtesting for free, I think let me change the background for you. I'm going to change the background to like let's have something that's going to be visible for you. All right, let me use this default chart. So yeah, this is Exness Terminal, and this you can use it to do a lot of stuff. You can see all these things over here, and one thing that is very good about this is that you can use it to do your back testing for absolutely free. You don't need to do any subscription or whatsoever. It's free. This is the 𝙍𝙀𝙍𝙆 tool over here. You can just click on it and select whichever area you want to start your back testing from. Then you just click and the chart is going to load up to that particular point. So you can see that is exactly what happened over here. So this is on the 7th of November. Today is 7th of December. But then as I've used the 𝙍𝙀𝙍𝙍𝙍 tool, I've been able to go back to 7th of November. All right, so yeah, I can just start playing and you'll see price will start moving that way. This will allow you to just backtest your strategy for free. You don't have to pay anything to do this. It's very simple to use, right? So I still don't understand why you are not using Exness Terminal yet. For this, I'm going to cancel the 𝙍𝙀𝙍𝙍𝙍 because I'm not here to do backtesting for now, right? I hope you understand that I'm not here to do backtesting. I'm just showing you some things that you can do with the Exness Terminal page. Now, if you don't know how to access this page, let me show you. When you log into your Exness account and you are on a page like this, the first thing you want to do is to go to this bar over here, right? Click on it, then you see Exness Terminal. Once you click it like this, it will load the page for you. So once it loads, you see a page like this, similar to this. Let me show you something. I want to show you the default page. So you see a default page like this. Okay, so you can actually customize it yourself. It's like how I just did this particular one. You see a page like this, then you can go ahead and play with it to fit your style. All right, now these are the favorite tools that I've actually indicated, and these are the tools that I can usually use, like the buy position tool over here. I can use it on the chart when I want to go for a long position like this, and I can equally use a sell position tool if I want to go for a short position, something like this. Okay, I hope you can see this. Okay, so literally everything is on this Exness Terminal. So I don't know why you're not using it. Now, one thing that I also want to give you is that if you are using Exness Broker to trade, or you plan on using Exness Broker to trade, then definitely you should be using the Exness Terminal as well. You can use it hand in hand with trading view. You check price on trading view, then you go to the Exness Terminal over here, then you compare to see whatever is going on. Because one thing about brokers is that brokers are quoting the market for you, a retail trader, right? So it's not all brokers that have the same price points, right? It's not all brokers that have the same price point. So if you are putting your money into one broker, then you definitely have to go with the price action of how that particular broker is delivering, is quoting price for you. You understand? You need to flow with that one. You don't want to go and do analysis on a different broker, then you come to a different broker to trade. That's what I'm trying to tell you. All right, I'm trying to let you know that when you are using one broker, use that particular broker to do your analysis so that your trades will align. Whatever you see will be the same thing. It wouldn't be like you've gone to, let's say you've gone to a different broker, you've done your analysis over there, then you come back to the broker that you used to trade, then you see that there's a difference in the price delivery, but then you want to follow the analysis you've done on a different broker. Say on TradingView, you've seen different broker over there, then you decide to actually flow with it. But then you've come to your MetaTrader 5 or whatever that you want to use to enter a trade. You've come to that particular place, and all you could see was that the chart is not exactly the same. That is what you have to avoid. And to avoid that, try to use a broker that you're using to trade the real market. Use the same broker to do your analysis most of the time. You can use other brokers on TradingView to compare with it and see how it is performing. But yeah, I will advise you to stick to your broker for all your analysis, right? So yeah, if you are using Exness to trade, then I advise you start using this Exness terminal. If you trade with trade line, you can just do this. All right, let me change the color of it to say this black. Yeah, if you trade with trend line, you have trend line over here for it. You can use, if you want to label it, you can label it. Anything at all you want to do it, you can do it. It's very simple, guys. Very, very, very simple to do. You don't have to be hard on yourself with this stuff. All right, it has a lot of tools over here that you can use. You can change the color at any time that you want. All right, you can change the color of anything at all that you want to change the color of. All right, well, I don't want to talk much about this, right? So yeah, this is something you definitely have to start using right now. So I'm going to leave a link in the video description for you, purposely for you. Go sign up on Exness right now. Then you start using the Exness Web Terminal to analyze your trades and also to enter your trades. All right, you will see when you log in, you have your real accounts over there. You can do buying and selling. Okay, for now the market is closed, so if I go there, you see market is closed due to the daily break. It will be open in 21 minutes. Okay, so once market open, I can comfortably take a trade right here in the Exness terminal, over here. I don't have to go to my MetaTrader 5 or 4 to do anything. I can just pick it up, buy or sell right here from the Exness terminal after analyzing my chart and seeing that my chart is looking how I want it to look, and I have my confirmed entries. I can just place a trade right here on Exness terminal. All right, stay. All right, so that's going to be all for it, guys, and don't forget to like this video and also subscribe for more videos. Leave a comment below if there's any other thing that you want me to cover, or there's something that is of much concern to you that you want me to address for you. All right, don't forget, I read all the comments, so just drop it. I'll read through. Right, I'll see you in the next one. Bless up.